What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's gonna be episode 2. Time to clean this boat out. Let's get it ready and prepped so we start making ourselves an internal mold to make this thing 10 feet longer. We got my friend Nick here. He's gonna be helping us out. He's got his lovely hot dog shirt on, and let's start it. Let's get it going.
Go like and subscribe.
All right, guys, and that's it. We are done for today because it is hot. I am sweating my butt off and I'm itchy as shit. About to order me some Tyrex suits, some breathing masks. I know Nick's over here been coughing a little bit, that guy, but I do appreciate his help. And I think it looks pretty decent for I don't know, a couple hours worth of work. See where we can get from here.